Okay everyone, so here is an activity of your SST, the timeline of India's freedom struggle. Everybody has this chart paper with this particular heading? Okay, and you also have one packet, right? You have one packet? Everybody has? This group, you have one packet? Okay, so you open the packet. You can see there are some flashcards in which some pictures are there along with some captions. And in the captions, names of different events are written which occurred during the freedom struggle. Okay. All these events occurred during the Indian freedom struggle. And some dates are also there in some of the flashcards. So you have to at first match different events with the correct date that when it happened, and then you also have to place it on the timeline. So in timeline, what will you follow? The chronology. Okay, you will paste it as per the correct chronology. That okay, you will follow the order of events. That's what a timeline is, right? So can you understand what you have to do? This group A, B, C, everybody please respond that you have understood the activity. Okay, so start your activity. Start. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now Anushka, read the first two.
First War of Indian Independence, 1857.
Next. First two, Anushka.
Indian National Congress founded, 1885.
Who founded Indian National Congress?
AOQ.
Okay. So, Pita, read the next.
Partition of Bengal, 1905.
Okay. 1905.
Home Rule, like founded Gandhiji, returns to India, 1950.
Yes. Who founded home ruling?
Annie Besant and Balgangadhar Tilak.
Okay. Okay. Read the next one.
The Road Act was passed, 1919.
Okay. What happened after that?
Jallianwala Bagh tragedy takes place, 1990.
Okay. So this Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which British general was the head
General Dyer.
behind this? Yes. Okay. General Dyer. Then, Manya, read next two.
Movement, 1920.
Yes, it started in 1920.
Yes.
Next, what happened? Here.
Simon Commission, death and the death of Lala Rajpat Rai in 1928.
Yes. Okay. After whose name this commission was named as Simon Commission? Manya, after whose name this commission was named as Simon Commission?
John Simon.
Yes, he was the commission.
Because he was the leader of his commission.
Sir.
And he was a British officer.
Yeah. Okay. What happened after that, Tanisha?
Obedience movement Dandi March in 1930.
Yes. Who led this Dandi March?
Gandhi.
Yes. Why? Why this Dandi March held?
To break the salt law.
Yes. And from where to where this happened? You know, Dandi March.
From Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi.
Yes. Very good. Okay, Anushka, next two.
Bhagat Singh and his friends were hanged by the British, 1931.
Okay.
Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army, 1942. The Quit India Movement, 1942.
Yes.
India becomes independent, 1947.
Okay. Okay. Good job, Group A. Okay. Next group, Group B. Okay. Okay. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adrija, read the first two.
First War of India Independence, 1857. Indian National Congress founded, 1885.
Yeah, who founded Indian National Congress, Adrija? Okay, and who was the first president of
W.C.
National-
Banerjee.
Yes, okay. Next two, go on, Beginda.
Partition of Bengal, 1905. Home Rule League founded Gandhiji returns to India, 1950.
Who founded Home Rule League?
Tilak and Annie Besant.
Next two.
The Rowlatt Act was passed, 1919.
Okay, what was this act? Can you tell me?
This act was where there was under this rule, this act, any Indians could be put into jail without any trial.
Yes, okay. So, after that, what happened?
Jallianwala Bagh tragedy takes place, 1919.
Okay, what happened in this tragedy? Can you tell me?
Under this, in this tragedy, one of the such peaceful protest was going, and one British police fired at a crowd, killing of hundreds of innocent people.
Okay, who was leading this massacre? Do you know? I mean, this shoot. Who gave this order to shoot? See?
Children died.
Yes, okay. Next, Advita.
Non-cooperation movement started 1920.
Okay. Next.
Simon Commission, death of Lala Lajpat Rai, 1928.
Can you tell me about Simon Commission?
The Simon Commission was a commission that was sent into India from England, that what is going wrong in India. This commission was held by
Wrong means the business was going down.
Because of Rowlatt Act, everyone was protesting against
Yes,
the British,
okay.
and at that time, Simon Commission was came into India, which was where the leader was John Simon.
Okay. Okay. And then what happened when they came to India?
When they came to India, the Indians, as there was no Indians taken in under this commission, the Indians got angry and welcomed them by black flags and shouted the slogan "Simon, go back." And when this protest was held in, Lala Lajpat Rai was badly beaten and he died because of the injury.
Okay. Very nice. Okay. After this. What?
Civil Disobedience Movement, Dandi March, 1930.
Why this Dandi March held, Pranshi?
The Salt Law.
Okay, what was the salt law?
In this law, no Indian were allowed to make salt from seawater.
Yes, only Britishers were producing the salt, right? And they imposed heavy what? Heavy what? And they imposed heavy taxes. Yes. Next, what happened?
Bhagat Singh and his friends were hanged by the British in 1931.
Okay. Next one, Adrija again.
Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army, 1942.
Okay, Adrika.
The Quit India Movement, 1942. India becomes independent, 1947.
Okay. Binita, can you tell me who became the first Prime Minister after the independence? Group C, done. Okay. Krishna, state the first.
War of Indian Independence, 1857. Indian National Congress founded 1885.
Okay, can you tell me about this first war of Indian independence? How it broke out?
And Sepoy named Mangal Pandey broke out Sepoy meeting.
Yes, that was the first war of Indian independence. Okay, and then you read this one, right?
Yes.
Indian National Congress founded. Who founded?
W.C. Banerjee.
No. Yes, Heo Hume. W.C. Banerjee was the
First president.
yes. Okay. Then next to Bitanu.
Protested of Bengal in 1905. Home Rule League founded.
League.
Founded. Gandhiji returned to India 1915.
Okay. So can you tell me about this partition of Bengal? Why do you think Britishers partition Bengal?
It is divided Hindu and Muslim that British can
So that they can rule.
they can rule for many years.
So they can rule easily. Yes, they wanted to break the of the Indians. Unity of the
History of India.
yes, unity of the Indians. Yes. Next to Aratrika.
The Rowlatt Act was passed 1990.
Then
Jallianwala Bagh tragedy takes place 1990.
Aratrika. Read the next one. This one done. Jallianwala Bagh.
Yes.
Okay. About Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Say, Ujjwal.
The Jallianwala Bagh massacre was a tragedy in which a group of protesters were peacefully protesting in the Jallianwala Bagh against the Rowlatt Act. Then the General Dyer ordered the British soldiers to shoot at the crowd. Hundreds of innocent people died in the incident.
Okay. Next, Ujjwal, you read the next one.
Non-cooperation movement started 1920. Simon Commission, death of Lala Lajpat Rai, 1920.
Tell me about Simon Commission.
The Simon Commission was a commission sent by John Simon, in lead by the John Simon. It was sent in India to figure out what was going wrong with the Indians because they were protesting so much against the British rule.
Okay, then what happened when the Simon Commission came to India?
When the Simon Commission came to India, people greeted it with black flags and shouted the slogan, Simon, go back.
Yes, Ayushi, can you tell me? I mean, how Lala Lajpat Rai died?
Lala Lajpat Rai died because while he was protesting for against the Simon Commission, he was beaten badly by the British police. So after a few days, the injury is caused by the stick beaten back to him. He died.
Okay, Ayushi, next, read the next.
Civil disobedience movement, Dandi March, 1930. Bhagat Singh and his friends were hanged by the British, 1930.
Can you tell me about this Dandi March?
In Dandi March, what happened? That is, the British passed several unjust laws like the tax on salt and etc. So, to protest against the salt law, Gandhiji started the Dandi March. In this, he went from the Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to Dandi in Gujarat only and made salt from seawater.
Okay, and broke the law. Right, yes. So he peacefully protested. Okay, next to read Aratrika.
The Quit Indian Movement, 1942. Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army, 1942.
Okay, what happened? This one, read Krishna's last one.
India becomes independent 1946.
Okay, can you tell me who was the first president in the independent India? Who became the first president of India?
Prasad.
Yes, okay, very good.